Good day everyone! I am Mark Del Piinoho, a 4th-year B.Ed student from Nurso Shaton campus. Today, I will be recording a monologue as part of the midterm requirements for our subject, Speech and Oral Communication for Teachers. Today, I will be portraying the character of Jericho Rosales from the movie The Lavender Fields in a scene where he and Janine Gutierrez have an intense argument with each other. His eyes are filled with anger, pain, and regret as he watches her walk away in frustration.
You don't get to do this to me, Iris. You don't get to stand there and act like I'm the problem. As if I'm the one who didn't try. Do you have any idea how much I've sacrificed just to hold this together? Huh? How many times I swallowed my pride because I thought you were worth it. But no, you're too busy pointing fingers to see what's right in front of you. Every time something goes wrong, it's always my fault, right? It's always my fault. Always me, and never you. God forbid, you admit that maybe, but just maybe, you've been pushing me away. I stayed, Iris, when everything was falling apart. I stayed. I fought for this, for our love. I fought for us. And what did I get in return? Silence? Pain? Walls? You chatting me like I'm some stranger. Do you even realize what that does a person? To keep loving someone who doesn't even let you in anymore? You're killing me so much, Iris. Slowly, piece by piece. And I don't think you even care. You always say, I don't understand. But how can I explain? You don't let me. Do you expect me to just stand here and take it like I'm some punching bag for all your doubts and fears? Huh? Well, guess what? I'm done being that guy. I'm done being the only one trying, Iris. I love you, Iris. I love you. More than I've ever loved anyone. But love is not supposed to feel like this. It's not supposed to hurt this much. Do you understand that, Iris? So go ahead. If you want, walk away. If that's what you want, I won't stop you. But don't you ever say I didn't fight for us. Don't you dare.